Hey everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to give you a room tour of our hotel room here at the Castle Inn and Suites in Anaheim across the street from Disneyland. The Castle Inn and Suites is located at 1734 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim, California. It is about a 12-minute walk or 6/10 of a mile to the gates of Disneyland. At the time of filming, the Castle Inn is rated number 19 out of 128 hotels in Anaheim on TripAdvisor. We did pay for this room out of our own pocket, and we are staying here tonight. Please look in the future for another video where we're going to share our experience staying here, as we've just checked in right now. We booked a 2-queen room here at the Castle Inn. It was about $174 out the door. They don't charge for parking here, which is a huge plus, especially across the street from Disneyland. Most places charge for parking nowadays. And parking is a little bit tight here. We got here kind of late, and there was only the registration spots left. This room is much more spacious than we initially thought it would be. There's tons of extra space here, plenty of room for a stroller, even a pack and play and a stroller. So if you're looking for something for your family, this might actually fit the bill quite well. There's actually a table in here as well to eat food, which we always really love because eating on the bed is not so fun sometimes. So having an extra space where you can sit and eat is always great in our book. This room does come with a mini fridge and a microwave, which is always a huge plus for our family. We love to bring our own breakfasts when we can, and we just save a lot of money that way by not having to eat in the parks. There's also a really great workspace here. Having an additional space to put bags or even toiletries, having another mirror to get ready in is always an excellent thing to have in the room. Taking a quick look around the room, there's only one plug here in this lamp, one by the table and one by the desk, so they're a little bit sparse. We recommend bringing a USB block where you charge all your devices in one area and only have to use one outlet. The Castle Inn and Suites is a motel, which means there's cars right outside of our door here. We're on the lower level. And because it's a motel, they usually have these window AC heater units, and they can be quite loud. Again, look forward to our next video and we'll kind of relay how our experience was with that. We've only been in this room for about 10 minutes, and I did notice that the door does not have a security latch on it. Just something to point out. The bathroom area here is quite spacious, tons of counter space for all of your toiletries, and a nice full-length mirror to get ready in when someone else is showering. There's also a very small coffee pot here. It looks like a Keurig style. It's not an actual Keurig, so that's always great to have in the room as well. The bathroom area with the toilet and the tub shower combination is really bright. They have a nice light, and there's also a fan that is on a separate switch, so you can turn that fan on when you take a shower and it doesn't get all steamy. The shower looks really clean, nice, bright, and white. I don't see any hair or anything in the tub, which is a major pet peeve for me, and it looks really clean at first glance. There is a nice wardrobe here with hangers, and there's an iron. It looks like the ironing board is missing. I usually don't pull out the ironing board anyways and just iron on the bed, but it is nice to have an iron for your clothes all wrinkled in your suitcase. We have stayed at Castle Inn before. We have not stayed since they've renovated. And honestly, we had watched some videos on YouTube about the renovated rooms, and we weren't expecting a whole lot. And this room has exceeded our expectations. It's much nicer in person than it looks on pictures or videos. So we're really happy about that, especially since it's a budget-minded hotel and it's such a close walk to the parks. So far, the only deficiencies we've seen in this room is that the dresser is a little beat up. It looks like maybe at some point the fridge leaked and it ruined the wood, and that's such a minor thing. And then the only other thing is the light on the table over here does not work, also very minor. We did do the dust test on the photos and the mirrors, and they're very clean, no dust. That concludes our room tour here at the Castle Inn and Suites. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like so we know we're doing a good job. Thank you so much for watching.